Jack. Hey, Drew. I need more wood for these pencils in my manufacturing factory. You want to go cut some down for me?
Actually, I'm not really into cutting down the rainforest. Ever since I heard about the rubber tappers, do you think you could live your life without rubber products?
Yes.
Oh, do you want to have a challenge? See how many days you can make it without using anything made out of rubber?
Yes, sir, Mr. Drew.
Okay, then. Hey, it's Drew. It's just your hostess here. Gonna see what Jack's up to today. See if he's living it up, you know, without any rubber in his non-rubber full life. Okay, so as we can see here, he's taking a bit of a nap. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Nothing I can see so far breaking our rules. When we get down to this leg, no, it's good. That's a problem right there. See that? Rubber. See if we can just wake him up a little bit here. Oh man, come on. What's up? What do you think you're doing with this? Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. What do you think that shoe's made out of?
Fiber.
No, incorrect. Oh, there, mister.
It's made out of recycled products.
No, it's not. No.
Yeah.
Show him to use rubber during our deal. Well, Jack thinks this is all a joke, so I'm gonna show him what it's really like to get kicked out of your home by people that really don't even own it. What's up, man?
Ow.
You gotta leave the house.
Why?
Yeah, because your mom said you're getting kicked out.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Just get up. Just get up. Alright, man, let's go. Well, you know, Jack could have easily avoided all of this pain he's going to, you know. He could have just, you know, not use, you know, you could use a mechanical pencil. But supporting the rainforest, it's just good, man. All kinds of other things you can do. Looks like somebody's back. Hey, buddy. Did you learn your lesson? Yeah. Can I let you in yet? Alright, come in. You know, some ways he could have avoided this was, you know, to be more smart and environmentally friendly. sometimes we need other people's help too, though. If you wanna stop the deforestation of the rainforest, we need help from people like you. You could send a letter to a government official, or just be more green about your decisions. And we need some people to show the government that we need to stop their short-sighted plan of cutting down all the rainforests. And we need officials in logging business to know that they need to go cut somewhere else, or, you know, preserve a place and replant the trees once they cut them down. Isn't that right, Jack?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I guess that concludes our little message here. I hope you got the moral of the story, because if you didn't, then I